model, 2011 Renault Kangoo ML19dCi 70 starts runs timing belt has jumped. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 172873. Engine, 1461 cc K9 Ka8A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a rattle. Timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp